Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add items on cart on Nike app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app on your phone. Right, once you have opened up your app, it will simply ask you to either sign up or sign in. Go ahead, choose the option of sign in, tap on continue. It will simply ask you to use your particular email address. Enter your email address, tap on continue, and then enter the password of it. Then tap on sign in. Once you are tapped on sign in, you will be able to simply get inside your particular Nike account. Once you're done that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and swipe to the home section and select an item that you wish to purchase or you wish to add on your cart. Once you've seen the product, tap on it, and at the bottom, if it requires, simply go ahead, select your color and the size. Once you've chosen that, tap on the option of add to cart, which will be written in the box available at the bottom. Then that item will be added to your cart. It's that easy. You can also do it by going to the nike.com over here and signing up again, and then going to the home section as well. And again, you can search up by going to the search icon, tapping on a particular product that you would like to add to your cart. Once you search the item, once the product has popped on, go ahead, tap on the product, tap on add to cart, and you're good to go. That's basically how much effort it takes. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.